So welcome to the PZ classes, and here I am having many students, and they are going to ask question together, and let's see how can they answer of the questions. So this is the one-to-one session, and here they both are asking question together. Let's see how will they ask question together, and how can they speak in front of anybody. So let's start the session now here.
Okay. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Sadia.
Sadia. Okay. So, as I know anything about you. So, what do you think about the technology?
Technology is the things which has make everything easy to do. Like fan, we can get air by it. AC, cold air, cool air, we can get in winters. So technology is a good things for human beings.
Okay. So, what do you think about our ancient who didn't have this type of things? So, how they live?
They were so hard. They were so hard worker, and they had to do hard work. Then they get this type of things what they need.
But as many people says that we are getting lazy, that we have technologies, but the are people who was in past, so they were very strong. And
Yes, I agree with it because ancient people was so hard worker, but now people are becoming lazy because of technology.
okay. So as a personal so do you believe that technology is good for or not?
The people who are hard worker, it is good for them, but who are lazy, so they should do hard works. Technology is good or bad, both. It is right.
So which is more that technology affecting bad things or good things more?
Uh, I think that it is affecting bad things, but not so.
Okay. So have you ever thought that technology is not good for us?
Yes, I have thought, but because of technology, everything is easy.
But in our future, the technology can be also harmful for us too much.
Yes, it is right.
Okay, so I'm asking another question that what do you think about Republic?
Republic.
Yes.
Republic Day 26th. In Republic Day, the rules and regulations are prepared in 26th January.
Yes. So do you know in which year?
No, I can't remember. I listen, but I can't remember. Do you know?
Yes, in 1950.
1950. Okay.
Okay. So by whom it has written? In who gave
No,
main role?
I don't know. Do you know?
Yes, it is not like it cannot be or maybe right that Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar that he gave main role in that, and many of the people also were there to prepared it, and that mm, in our independence, how was their struggle?
Independence Day, our India has like means before Independence Day, our India was गुलाम था ऐसा कुछ
Slave. Slave.
slave.
We were doing slavery that time.
Yes,
Okay.
We were the slaver of that people.
yes sir.
British. We were the slaver of the British.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Speak.
I
So
also
who rule on us?
British people.
Okay. So now their that country's name.
America. No. Do you know about
England.
England? Yes.
Okay. So yes.
So what do you think about Persona Institute?
It is good for like if you want to learn English easily that without any tension this type of thing. So it is for good for you that it don't have that much load and it is easy to learn and here sirs are also good. They teach with fun.
Yes. So why are you learning English?
because in this is English is global language, and if you will speak English in front of our in front of other peoples, and if you are going to give any interview, so it will be good for you.
So, have you speak means in front of crowd
Have you spoken?
spoken?
No, but like in school, that there is not as much crowd is also not there, but I have spoken in front of them in school.
Okay. So, what is your dream to become? What is your name?
My name is Danish Sheikh.
What do you think about mobile phones and computer?
I think about mobile phone is useful in our life for communication and knowledge, homeworks, and I like computer is very much useful in life because gaming and online classes for. What do you think about?
Huh?
What do you think about?
I think the mobile phones are based, they don't do anything, but they always waste our time, and computer is useful for us because we can make documents on it, and I don't agree that mobile phones are useful, but I agree with the mobile phones are also
Useful.
useful because they are for communications, but we should not waste our time on mobile phones.
Okay.
What do you think about other technology?
Other technology,
Yes,
for example.
like AI.
I think AI is useful. AI is many types of useful in other क्या बोलते हैं उसको उसको क्या बोलते हैं for example others way for example business manufacturing teaching and companies also AI is in business AI is most useful for sell products and come customer why easy
What do you think about applications?
applications Instagram Facebook
Yes,
I don't think what do you think about applications
I think another applications are useful because they are for us to, the application are very useful, like phone, WhatsApp, and um, YouTube, because YouTube can teach us that thing that we cannot learn, like origami, art and craft, and learning and reading and writing.
what do you think about persona
I think Persona is the best institute in Khandwa because we can learn English and we can improve our confidence in it,
okay
and it is very useful for us.
in which class do you study
I study in fourth grade
which school
in KV Khandwa.
AV okay
Um, what do you think about companies?
Companies? Which company?
Anything. Technological companies, manufacturing companies, or cosmetic companies,
I think
pharmacy
about
companies.
manufacturing companies are better because is build buildings and homes also, and like Burj Khalifa and okay. Uh,
Stop it clapping for speaker.